Well, this is just a simple photo of a pizza. This is definitely a photo that was taken from a smartphone. There is nothing special about this, but with the help of Gemini AI, you can turn that into a very attractive and professional marketing material for that particular product. So this is actually very useful, especially if you're running a small business selling food and beverages. You can turn your regular looking photo into something that looks more attractive, and it will gain more attention when you're posting this on your official social media page. So I'm going to show you how you can actually turn your photo, especially food or beverages photo, into a marketing material in just a few seconds using Gemini AI. Now, what you need to do is to navigate to gemini.google.com, or you can also use the mobile app version of Gemini on your phone. Now, after that, you must upload the picture of the food or beverages. You can click this plus button, click upload files, and then select the photo. But in this case, I'm going to just copy this Sloppy Joe photo that I just found randomly on Google. So let me just copy this. Now, this picture is actually fine. It looks quite professional, but again, we want to turn it into something that we can use as a marketing material. So it's going to look a bit more stand out and unique than a typical product photography. Anyway, let's continue. I'm going to just upload or paste that picture into Gemini. Now, when you have uploaded the picture, you can insert this prompt. I know it is very long, but as always, don't worry, you don't have to type the whole thing, because I'm going to provide this prompt in the description so you can copy and then paste that into Gemini. Now, there are three things that you need to customize. So here there is a label that says user specified background color, and I think that's quite self-explanatory. You need to change the background of the picture. So in this case, I think I want to use the simple black background, just like that, but feel free to use any color that you like. Now, after that, you can insert some massive text that will be inserted into the top center of the picture. So the text is going to look like this, or perhaps like this, and basically, again, it's going to be in the top center of the picture. So this is the one that will try to gain some attention into the overall picture or post. And in this case, I'm going to use a simple text like get family discount or something, or perhaps just family discount. Very good. Now, after that, there is another thing that you might want to customize, which is the CTA or call to action text. And that text is basically just some invitation to the viewers about what they might want to do, or perhaps what you want them to do, like perhaps ordering the product or booking the table or visiting the location. It's up to you. And here I'll just use a simple text like order now. Okay, and there you go. Now, when you're done, click tools and enable create images and just send a message. So just wait for about 10 to 20 seconds for Gemini to turn this actually pretty good photo into a marketing material in just a few seconds. Now, of course, since you are working with an AI chatbot, you can always iterate. You can always ask Gemini to change something or make modifications in case there are a few things that you're not quite happy with. So you can always iterate the result. Now, we got this amazing looking photo, and honestly, it's actually better than my expectation. So after that, you can click the download button to save that picture into your device. And of course, later you can post this on your TikTok, Instagram, social media account, and definitely it's going to be better than a simple photo that was taken by with a smartphone. So yeah, that's how you can turn your a regular looking food and beverages photo into something that looks quite attractive and professional using Gemini AI. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.